Hello friends, welcome to the channel Methodology Maths by Pratik Grover. Today we will learn regarding the last part of 2.5 exercise of NCERT 9th standard textbook. This exercise contains all the identities of algebra which are applied on polynomials. The introduction of these identities are in the video named algebraic identities. The link of that video has been given in the description of this video, so go through those videos if you want to understand the identities in depth, then come back to this exercise. Also, the two parts which are already over are also given in the description of this video. So if you want to go through two parts, we can go through that two parts also. This third part actually has a altogether total different concept. So that's why I am making this third part of the video of the exercise. So let us start with the 11th sum of this exercise, which is the first sum of our part 3. Factorize 27 x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. In the last video, I have told you if there are 4 terms, first of all check anything is common between them. Nothing is common. Then check whether out of the 4 terms there are 2 perfect cubes or not. Yes, there are 2 perfect cubes, but there are 3 perfect cubes over here. So if there are 3 perfect cubes, you cannot apply the identity of x plus y whole cube or x minus y whole cube. So understood your check? If there are 2 cubes, then it is x plus y whole cube or x minus y whole cube. But if there are 3 cubes, then specifically this is this identity which I am going to write. So what is this identity if there are 3 cubes? If there are 3 cubes, first of all, make them be written in the cube root form. Suppose the means what I mean to say is, so 27 is a cube of 3. So this is the first term. First term is cube of 3x. The second term is the cube of y, and the third term is cube of z. This ignore this term. Just write minus 3 multiplied by the first term 3x, the second term y, and the third term z. You got these 3 terms. Just write minus 3 into first term into second term into third term. If you multiply them, you will get this number. That is you have checked that you are going on the right path. Now what is the identity? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to x plus y plus z multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. I know this is a long identity, but you have to memorize this identity. If I apply this identity, that is first term plus second term plus third term in one bracket, that is 3x plus y plus z, this is in one bracket, multiplied by square of the first term, that is 3x square, square of the second term, that is y square, square of the third term, that is z square, minus first term into second term. First term is 3x into second term is y, minus second term into third term, that is y into z, minus third term into first term, z into 3x. So this would be 3x plus y plus z as it is. Here it will be 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. That's it. Now 12th question. In 12th question you have to verify something. So this is The verification is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to 1 by 2 of x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. This you have to prove. This is the question. So first of all, I am writing LHS. LHS is my identity, that is x cube. You have to verify this. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is my identity. What is the answer of this identity? X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is my identity. Now what is RHS? If I prove RHS is equal to this, then I got my verification. So let us prove the RHS now. So the RHS is 1 by 2 x plus y plus z multiplied by x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. This is my RHS. So I cannot do anything with x plus y plus z, and half I will write as it is, half into x plus y plus z. One more thing, in the LHSC we need x plus y plus z. So we will not solve this x plus y plus z because we know that in the LHS there is a term of x plus y plus z. So don't do anything with this. Yes, there was no half. So this half has to be removed. So we'll wait. We'll proceed to the step of expanding this a minus b whole squares in this bracket. So first is x minus y whole square. That is x square minus 2xy plus y square plus this is y minus z whole square. I am expanding this also. Y square minus 2yz plus z square plus z minus x whole square. Z square minus 2zx plus x square. This half multiplied by x plus y plus z as it is. In this bracket you can see now, see x square and x square, there are 2 x squares. Y square and y square, there are 2 y squares. Z square and z square, there are 2 z squares. So I can write 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square. As you can see, minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. There are no like terms, so we'll write as it is, minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. 1 by 2 x plus y plus z. As you can see, all the terms in this bracket has 2 common. So I'm taking 2 outside. This will become x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This 2 and this half, they both will cancel out. So answer would be x plus y plus z multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is same as this identity. See, therefore LHS is equals to RHS. LHS is equals to RHS. Understood? Let us proceed towards the 13th sum. This 13th sum, actually this is the main important application of this identity. ये हम जो आइडेंटिटी सीख रहे हैं ना, ये वाली आइडेंटिटी, ये सब इसकी जो मेन एप्लीकेशन है वो ये है. क्या एप्लीकेशन है? आपको बोला गया है इफ x प्लस वाई प्लस जेड इज जीरो. ये क्वेश्चन मैं लिख रहा हूँ. x प्लस वाई प्लस जेड इज जीरो, ये दिया हुआ है कि अगर कोई 3 नंबर्स हैं उनको ऐड करके जीरो आंसर आ रहा है, देन प्रूव दैट x क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब प्लस जेड क्यूब इक्वल्स टू 3xyz. इसका पहले मतलब समझ लीजिए क्योंकि ये आगे के सम्स में बहुत आने वाला है. यही मेन एप्लीकेशन है. मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन इसी टाइप के आते हैं. अगर आपके पास 3 नंबर्स हैं, उन तीनों को ऐड करके ज़ीरो मिलता है, तो उनके क्यूब्स को अगर आप ऐड करोगे that will be equals to 3 times the multiplication of those numbers. x फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई करके 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू द सम ऑफ द क्यूब्स ऑफ दोज नंबर्स. इतना याद रखिएगा कि अगर 3 नंबर्स को ऐड करके 0 हो रहा है तो उनके क्यूब्स को ऐड करके अगर आंसर निकालने का बोला जाए तो आप सीधा 3 इंटू ऑल दीज 3 नंबर्स कर दीजिएगा. मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ ऑल दीज नंबर्स, यू विल गेट योर आंसर. बट फिलहाल अभी हम इसको प्रूव करेंगे. हमारे पास आइडेंटिटी क्या है? एक्स क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब प्लस जेड क्यूब माइनस 3xyz इज इक्वल्स टू एक्स प्लस वाई प्लस जेड मल्टीप्लाइड बाय एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस जेड स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स वाई माइनस वाई जेड माइनस जेड एक्स. ये हमारी आइडेंटिटी है. इस आइडेंटिटी में ये x प्लस वाई प्लस जेड 0 है. आपको दिया हुआ है कि x प्लस वाई प्लस जेड 0 है, तो ये 0 इंटू कोई भी टर्म, ये RHS पूरा 0 हो गया. 0 इंटू एनी टर्म, ये पूरा RHS 0 हो गया. सो व्हाट विल वी गेट? एक्स क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब प्लस जेड क्यूब माइनस 3xyz विल बी इक्वल्स टू 0, क्योंकि x प्लस वाई प्लस जेड 0 है. ये 3xyz अब RHS में जाएगा तो माइनस का प्लस हो जाएगा. देयरफॉर एक्स क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब प्लस जेड क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू 3xyz. ये तभी काम लगेगा जब x प्लस वाई प्लस जेड 0 होता है. So if you get 3 numbers, adding those 3 numbers will give you an answer 0, then sum of the cubes of those 3 numbers would be equals to 3 multiplied by product of those 3 numbers. ये एप्लीकेशन की वजह से ही ये क्वेश्चन इतना इम्पोर्टेंट, ये जो आइडेंटिटी है इतनी इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाती है. 14th क्वेश्चन, माइनस 12 क्यूब प्लस 7 क्यूब प्लस 5 क्यूब. ये क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है आपको. देखिए 3 नंबर्स दिए हैं क्यूब में और तीनों ऐड हो रहे हैं. इनके क्यूब्स निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये हमेशा ऐसे दिए होंगे आपको. 3 क्यूब्स दिए होंगे, 3 क्यूब्स वुड बी गिवन एंड they must be added. The demand of the question is they must be added. But what you have to focus and what you have to understand from this sum is the numbers inside. If you add all those numbers, the answer would come 0. Here minus 12 was a number, 7 was the number and 5 was a number. If you add them and become 0, see the application of that 13th sum. 3 नंबर्स को ऐड करके अगर 0 होता है तो उनके क्यूब्स को ऐड करके क्या बनेगा? माइनस 12 क्यूब प्लस 7 क्यूब प्लस 5 क्यूब would be equals to 3 multiplied by all those 3 terms. 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5. 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5. So if you multiply them, you will get answer minus 36 into 35 and the answer would be minus 1260. So without finding the cubes, we can directly get the answer by the application of this question. So shall we proceed to the next sum of the same type? I am doing both the types so that it may feel easy for you to solve. Next sum is 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. Again, the 3 numbers, the cube of 3 numbers are given and you can see that if you add all these 3 numbers, the sum would be 0. Therefore, 28 minus 15 minus 13, both are negative, so I am writing 13. So this is 0. Therefore, 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube would be equals to 3 multiplied by, if x plus y plus z is 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is 3xyz. So 3 multiplied by 28 into minus 15 into minus 13. If you multiply them, you will get the answer. This will become 84 multiplied by 195. Minus minus will become plus. So the final answer would be 16380. This is your final answer. So what we have understood in this type of sums, if sum of three numbers is 0, then sum of their cubes would be equals to 3 multiplied by product of all those three numbers. So let us proceed to the next sum. 15th question. Give possible expressions for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which the areas are given. The area is given to us in the form of, this is first question, in the form of polynomial, quadratic polynomial, that is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. This quadratic polynomial is given to us, and you have to find the length and breadth of this quadratic polynomial. So you know that area of a rectangle is equals to length multiplied by breadth. Length multiplied by breadth. So this quadratic polynomial has to be factorized in two terms. One term would be length and the other term would be breadth. To factorize this quadratic polynomial, you can see that there are three terms. Check. First check, there are three terms. Second check, is there anything common? No. Third check, are there any two perfect squares? No. एक ही perfect square, that is 25a square, but no other perfect square is there. So we will do middle term splitting in this. We will do middle term splitting. If you don't know middle term splitting, I am giving the link of the explanation of middle term splitting in this video's description. Go through that video, you'll understand middle term splitting. So A would be 25, B would be minus 35, and C would be 12. 12 into 25, that is 300. Think of two numbers, multiplying should give 300 and addition should give 35. Multiply should give 300 and the addition should give 35. So the answer is 20 multiplied by 15. So this will become 25a square first term as it is, minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. Please, if you want to understand the middle term splitting, go and watch that video. Okay. Common from first two terms would be 5a. The remaining will be 5a minus 4. In this term, minus 3 is common. So 5a minus 4. If negative is came common, then this term will become negative in the bracket. This will become 5a minus 4 multiplied by 5a minus 3. We got two terms. Out of these two terms, multiplying these two terms will give me area, because these are the factors of this area. Therefore, length out of these two, anyone may be length, anyone may be breadth. Length and breadth would be 5a minus 4 and 5a minus 3. Don't write respectively, because that will give clear intention that length is this, breadth is this. Anyone could be length, anyone could be breadth. We don't have to find the exact answer. The second sum is also middle term splitting, but I will not be doing that. But the question I am writing over here, you have to find area of 35y square plus 13y minus 12. This question also you have to find using middle term splitting, but I am not doing that. You do it by yourself. I am proceeding towards the 16th sum. But if you have any doubt in this sum, please give your opinion in this comment section. You can ask me the doubts in the comment section. I'll reply it over there. 16th sum. In 16th sum, now volume is given to you and you have to find L, B and H. So what if volume is given? So volume is given to us as 3 x square minus 12x as it is. So we know that length, breadth and height, L multiplied by B multiplied by H. Volume is LBH. So three terms should come from this, and that is one would be L, one would be B, one would be H. So as you can see, there are two terms only here. So if there are two terms, what is the first step? Check for the common. So yes, 3x is common. So in the bracket it will be x minus 4. X minus 4. It cannot be factorized further. This is the final answer. See, one term is 3, one term is x, and the other term is x minus 4. So length, therefore length, breadth and height would be, because it cannot be factorized further, would be 3x and x minus 4. एक टर्म आई 3, एक टाइम आई x, तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके हमारा वॉल्यूम बन रहा है. तो यही वो तीन टर्म्स हैं, एक 3 है, एक x है और एक x माइनस 4 है. ये हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन भी वॉल्यूम हमको दिया हुआ है, वो मैं सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ. आई एम सॉल्विंग दैट. 12k y square plus 8ky minus 20k. First of all, three terms. Anything common? Yes. 4k is common. So it will become 3y square plus 2y minus 5. Now as you can see, there are three terms in the bracket. You have to again factorize it. You have to factorize till the last term. Huh? In this sum, it cannot be factorized. So I stopped there. But it can be factorized. Three terms. Check. First check. Anything common? No. Second check. Is there any two perfect squares? No. The last option is middle term splitting. So for middle term splitting, I need A. A is 3. B is 2. C is minus 5. 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. Think of two numbers getting multiplied 15 and subtraction should give me 2. 5 and 3. Simple. Two numbers would be 5 and 3. So 4k multiplied by 3y square minus 3y plus 5y. I am writing minus 3y ahead because I can take common 3 from them. Plus 5y and minus 5 as it is, splitting the middle term. This 2y split it to minus 3y plus 5y. 4k as it is. What is common from the first two terms? Can you see? Something is common from the first two terms. That is 3y. What is remaining? Y minus 1. From the last two terms, what is common? 5. What is remaining? Y minus 1. The final answer would be 4k, y minus 1, 3y plus 5. As you can see, there are three terms. One is 4k, one is y minus 1, one is 3y plus 5. So my final answer would be length, breadth and height would be 4k, y minus 1 and 3y plus 5. Understood? I hope these type of sums are now clear to you. Whenever area or volume are given, you have to factorize those till the last step, and then if it is area, there would be two terms. If there is volume, there would be three terms. So this chapter gets over here. If you have any doubt, please give your feedback in the comment section. Waiting for your comments. Thank you and see you soon. Next video will be regarding the chapter number 3, that is coordinate geometry. Bye bye.